In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up rules in Asana through its automation features. This process will help you streamline your workflow, making your project management much more efficient. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to the Asana website. If you're not already familiar, Asana is a powerful project management tool that allows you to keep track of tasks and collaborate with your team seamlessly. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner and click on Login. After clicking, you'll see a few options for logging in. Here we'll use Continue with Google. If you've not linked your Google account previously, this step offers a simple way to access your Asana projects using your professional credentials. Select the account that you'd like to use, and you'll be connected in no time. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to go to your specific project. On the left panel of the Asana interface, find and click on the project that you want to create rules for. This section lists all your ongoing projects and provides a snapshot of how each is progressing. Once you're in your project, direct your attention again to the top right corner and click on Customize. This opens up a variety of options you can tweak to fit your project's needs better. Among these options, you should see an option labeled Rules. Click on that to continue. By clicking on Rules, you're stepping into the automation zone where magic happens. The next thing you'll need to do is click on Add. This button is usually quite prominent and is your gateway to setting up new rules. Now, Asana offers a range of preset templates to make rule creation easier. You can choose a rule template that aligns closely with what you need or opt to start from scratch by creating a blank rule. Templates are a great starting point if you're new to automation, providing you with a framework that's easy to customize further. Once you've selected your template or chosen to start with a blank rule, you'll need to set the parameters. These parameters define the conditions under which your rule will be triggered. Think about what exactly you want your project to do automatically. It could be anything from assigning a task to a team member to sending a notification under certain conditions. Now that your parameters are set, define the outcome. This is what the rule will do once the parameters you specified are met. Outcomes could be as simple as moving a task to a different column or as complex as notifying a whole team. Finally, make sure to click on Publish Rule in the top right corner. Publishing finalizes your automation setup and your rule will be active and ready to streamline your project workflow from this point forward. And there you have it. By setting up these rules, you can automate tasks in Asana to save time and keep your projects running smoothly without manual intervention. Thanks for watching and happy automating.